the lovely, lovely Sue Josephson, who is an absolute demon at e-commerce and selling things on eBay and Amazon, has put together, I'm going to go over and navigate to that for us. So I'm in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs members only area. And what you want to do when you come into here is just go to where it says search this group and then just click on burner email. All right, so Sue's put together this information here, all right? But what I'm going to quickly show you is why it's important to do that. All right, so this is my inbox for my main email for business within Raw Local, okay? And what I did stupidly was I requested some quotes for samples from some suppliers, and I think we did, at that time, I think it was like 14 or 15 different products that we were sourcing at that particular time, okay? And so I used stupidly my main email address, and within a week, this is what happened. I had 3,702 spam emails, and you can see the majority of the emails are from China. They're written in Chinese, they're from China, and indeed, that is the number one reason you do not want to use your own main email address. You want to get what Sue has very, very nicely termed a burner email address, and I really, really like that term. So Sue's put together a fantastic explanation in our group. All you want to do is go search for burner email, and she just lays it all out for you exactly how to do that. And it's a wonderful, wonderful step-by-step guide to getting a burner email. And the reason you want that is because of spam. That's the number one reason you want to get it. 1 week's worth of spam was 3,702 emails from me. And that continues to this day. I can't unsubscribe myself from all that spam. I'm just getting nailed with it. And ultimately, I'll have to dump that main email address. Now, if I'd have set up a burner email, I could have just contacted my 14 suppliers and given them the burner email, like not a fake email, but an email address I don't care about. And by doing that, once I got the necessary responses back, then I could have dumped the email address and been, not spending all my time clearing out my spam every day. So that's exactly why we do it, Anthony, is because of spam. And if you want a complete breakdown of how you do that, as I said, Sue's put together a fantastic step-by-step guide within our members-only Facebook group that shows you exactly how to do that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.